Welcome to this presentation on the Department of Labor's databases for employment research. We'll be covering the Occupational Outlook Handbook and ONET, both which are online. For conducting research in occupations and job descriptions, you have many options. One option is the U.S. Department of Labor, and of the many publications that it produces, I'm going to recommend two of them. They do work together, but they have slightly different perspectives. The first is the Eagle Eyes views. From way up in the clouds looking down, it's the Occupational Outlook Handbook. So you're looking at all of the careers. Its partner is the Worm's Eye view, individual job descriptions from ONET. So we're going to start with the Occupational Outlook Handbook with the bird's eye view, and then we'll switch over to the worm's eye view in ONET. The Occupational Outlook Handbook, or nickname is OOH, and its address is as shown on the top of the slide. It's from the Department of Labor, and the subgroup of that is the Bureau of Labor Statistics, or BLS. And you can see the BLS logo on the left. On the right will be the Occupational Outlook Handbook. As you're looking through all the variety of publications, pick the OOH. In the lower left, we have occupational groups. That's just a sample. From that groups, we then break out into the individual occupations. I'm choosing one of them as management here. And when we open up the management occupations, take a look at the variety of occupations under management. The ever popular, actually no it's not, the ever popular human resource management. You have also the very tip of the iceberg, which is the top executives, where you will find the operations manager, the production manager, chief executive officer, and so on. So what would be the occupation that would match your management research or any other occupation that you would consider? You want the occupational overview, Occupational Outlook Handbook. The Occupational Outlook Handbook has many sections. In the upper left, I've chosen the section on human resource managers. On the right are the variety of tabs or sections that support each occupation. I've selected more information, and it's displayed in the center. Notice that under contacts for more information are the private sector and not-for-profit organizations that cater to that career field. Under Human Resource Management, of course, you'll find the Society for Human Resource Management. But as your eyes drift down, you'll find the World at Work for the folks that specialize in compensation and benefits, or talent development for the trainers. At the bottom, it's a link to jump to ONET to get the specific job descriptions. Continuing on with our example, here are the contacts for Chief Executive Officers, and you may review down the list. Remember this contacts page, as it will be used in the chapter for recruiting, for both recruiting individuals, networking in the hidden job market, career development, and also where you may meet like-type people to consider who might be suitable candidates. So just a word to the wise, you'll need this type of list later for recruiting. Welcome to ONET, and it's the URL web address as shown on the top. On the right, it's a reminder that the authors are the Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics, and the two huge volumes that they produce are called the Dictionary of Occupational Titles, or DOT. The online version has even more than the books. And you begin by conducting your research in the very center by putting in as close to the job title you're researching inside the box to see what's like it or near it. When you open a job description in ONET, it will have a DOT, Dictionary of Occupational Titles number, and a generic title. And then in blue, in the center, you can see displayed all the various tabs that you may conduct research. When you get to the task, it'll display just the very top of the list. If you hit the plus button, it'll open to the full list. Here is an example of a job description task for general and operations managers. And as you look down the list, it'll be the people, time, decision information, money, and things that we discuss in our course. The tasks are listed in priority. So there's the top 3 to 6, and then the rest. And you can open each one if you needed to know more information. This tool for research becomes valuable when you're working with job descriptions and you want to see what the Department of Labor's generic information is all about. ONET Online. Hopefully you've seen that the Department of Labor offers you 2 books with different perspectives to help you with this course. So get busy, get online, start looking at the 2 websites, and you'll find them of great value to do the practical exercises for this course. Thank you for your time. And we'll close with the list of references used during this presentation. Again, thank you.